Let's get it going. Let's get it going, guys. So, this is a giveaway list. So today we'll be doing the LeBron red carpet giveaway. All right, guys, so check it out. Here it is. Here is the list. If you see your name, you are on the list. Now, this one took me a while, guys, because it was out of 100. Can you believe that? Never again am I doing a giveaway out of 100 people. That was too much. Max I'll do is 25 to 50. And you guys have a higher chance, so like those of you who comment fastest will get in. I already got the next giveaway running. I can show you that after this, I guess, or at the end of the video, to see who's in the new giveaway, you know. So this is the red carpet giveaway right now. Let's go ahead and do it. I was gonna wait, I was just gonna show you guys, but might as well just do it. So the way we're gonna do this, let me zoom out a little bit. All right, we're gonna do what is that called? Random.org. Random number generator. That's what it's called. But we're actually gonna go to the website. Brand new. Let's get it. Out of 100. So fifth one is the winner. Y'all ready? Y'all ready for this? Let me get some water real quick. Hold on. Let me get some water. Hey, this is good water. All right, anyways, let's go. Fifth one's the winner. If you guys haven't seen how we do this, we're gonna press generate. It'll give us a number, and then I'll start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the fifth one is the winner. Let's go. Ready? Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, this one's the winner right here. Ready? 73. You are the winner. Who's 73? Who's 73? That wild boy Brandon, you are the winner. Congratulations. All right, so make sure you message me and I will send you your shoes. So pretty much the new giveaway. So this is a new giveaway list for, what are we giving away? The LeBron. What shoes did I say I was giving away? Was I giving away the Vapor Max or the LeBron? It's the PRMs. Whoa. Did I not shut this off? Thought I did. My bad, guys. My bad. This is raw, unscripted. This is what goes on, you know, when we're trying to give away shoes. Anyways, you already know. We got the foam pop. Hey, I'm a fan of these. Those of you who say like, I'm a fan, dude. Like they don't look like they're not popping or anything. But hey, man, I'm a fan. I'm gonna do a test where I actually run with them and like play basketball and like, you know, just general like go lifestyle, like jeans and stuff, and we'll see how. Like for right now, they're very comfortable. But anyways, we're gonna be giving away. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put the shoes right here. Ready? All right, so these LeBrons. Can you believe? I already forgot what they're called. I'm just out of it, man. I did a workout, came back. I'm like, dude, I got to do this list. I got to get on it. You know, my subscribers need their shoes. So these are going to be the next giveaway. So those of you who are on this list right here, you guys are already winning. So I'm going to do it out of 25, maybe 50. So if you want to enter this giveaway right here, make sure you comment down below what your favorite water is. What brand of water do you like? Whether You know, because many places like Canada has different water, Texas has different water, Arizona has different water. So whatever your favorite brand water is, comment down below and I'll get you in the giveaway. So those of you guys are in the giveaway. I'm gonna show you guys a quick little property vlog from here on. So make sure you guys enjoy. The winner of the red carpet hit me up, and yeah, man. Thank you guys. Check out the clips. Ready? Go! All right, guys. Before we get to the video, I'm gonna show you guys a quick little intro of what I'm doing here with the foam posits, as I can say that. All right, let's get to it. Yo, so you're telling me that if you put firewood or light this up, this is not gonna burn, which is wood. That makes no sense. That makes no sense at all. Like, how does that make sense? So, this is how they look with socks. You can see I got paint on me because of this. Watch, I'm gonna take you guys over here. God damn. Check it out. Look at that. Tall hedges create perfect balance of neighbors. I was like, check it out, guys. All right, so if you had Vapor Maxes, Lebrons, you would have to worry about shit like this, you know? Like, oh, my goddamn. Like, my shoes popped, you know? But no, you don't have to worry about it, because although this is air technology, there is no air on this shoe. There is no air. But check it out. We got the shingles. You know, you gotta have shingles for a nice, like, good, clean roof up here. You know, you got the, what is this? Let's see, mastic tile. So, you know, it's ready to use. It's like, this is the stuff you buy right here when you want to make your job easier. And of course, you gotta have trusty old sweep everything up. We got the wood. You know, we got the spec cement. You got the more cement, mulch bags. You know, you gotta make things look nice. Like, check it out. We got mulch over here. You know, just showing you guys. Look. See all that mulch? Don't that look beautiful, guys? Like, you know, you got the office plant style. Because, you know, we want to look good. I'll show you guys the shoes right here. Check that out. How's that look? Look at that muscle, boy. We got extra cabinets, doors, paint. You know, these are all the essentials, you know? These ones, you know, these joints go up in, like, to hang up your clothes, you know? Gotta hang up your clothes. Yeah, guys, just wanted to show you guys this quick little intro of this, you know? Make sure the lights work in this. All right, I'm gonna get this fixed, you know, put this up against the wall, cause, you know, that's a hazard. Look at that, that's a hazard. You know, who put a motherfucking nail holding this wire? That's lazy right there, but, you know, as you can see, it's not done, so they're probably gonna get to it, you know. Copper. So let's move on. Let me go ahead and lock this up right here, guys. Here we're gonna put one of those jacuzzis here. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like the jacuzzis that come up or that go down, you know. I think it's a lot easier. We already got the platform right here for a nice little jacuzzi, you know. We raise up the wall like they did here. Check it out. What do you guys think? Like, I'm thinking like that high right there, all around. Cause like, definitely in that window there too. Cause, you know, all right, over here, we're gonna have our big Doberman pinscher. We're gonna build them like Check it out, check it out. Welcome to MTV Cribs right here. Check it out right here. We're gonna put the Doberman pincher. We're gonna build a bed right here. Put some lights, maybe a fan, like one of those AC vents. Drill it up in here. And, you know, so the dog, you know, you're coming in. The dog's like, roo, 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 roo. So check up in here. Our little shed right here. Check it out. You know, we got so this is crown molding, guys. We're gonna put crown molding all over this. Like, we're just gonna redo it, like everything. We're gonna tint up these windows. You know, I was thinking, I also need you guys to comment down below. We knock this wall down, we extend it, we remove this tree, and we extend it up to, like, maybe at that line right there, and build a wall here. We slab it up, pull some permits for that, you know. We don't want to get in trouble. And we create a gym. Like, cause it's nice and humid in here. This is what you want. But like, of course, this is really small. You know, like, look. You see how small that is? But let's move it. We're gonna call this video property tour in some foam posits, you know. All right, over here, we got like sunken alley. So let me take you guys over here. Check it out. Oh, this joint's nice right here. So, fog lights. I mean, not fog lights, spotlights. In case anyone's here at night, you know, trying to creep up in there. Boom. We gonna see them. We gonna see them. But you see this joint right here? I like what the idea they had. Because it's like these windows, we can't see anymore, you know? But let's move on. Let's take you inside. Yo, I just hit myself with this. So definitely gonna need a table right here. You know, got a table here, fridge over there, stove there. Here, I might add a cabinet space because like that's not enough. But anyways, this is for the people coming in, you know. We got the black on black. Now check it out. Check out my favorite feature right here. Boom. Tell me that ain't nice. That's like you go from like, goddamn, to boom. Check that out. You know, if you like videos like this is what I was telling you on the outside. You see? Like, it's completely, you can't see because it's like that's like an 8-foot, 10-foot wall. But let me know if you guys like videos like this. Check that out, boys. Hey, these are comfortable. They remind me of cockroach shoes, but definitely comfortable. Now let's go.